Okay, fourth graders, this is a quick tutorial on how to create Google Docs. Do not get Google Docs and Google Slides mixed up, okay? Google Docs, you will only create new Google Docs if I tell you in the direction or in the instructions for the assignments, okay? And this is how you will create a new Google Doc. You will definitely need to know how to do this for submitting, for working on essays. Okay, especially essays. Okay, so this is Miss Yang's Google Classroom, okay? And in the previous video, if you watched it already, I stated that because I'm a teacher, I do not see exactly the same thing that students can see on their screen. So don't get this confused, but I am going to go into a different Google Classroom where I can view everything as a student, okay? So again, you are here. Make sure you click on classwork. Their dates are over here on the left side. You have to make sure you click on the date. Then all the assignments for that day will pop up, okay? Now let's pretend I click on one and I'm going to create a Google Doc. Okay, so let's go to my student view one. Don't get this confused. Remember, this is a different Google Classroom, but this is the only one that I can view it as a student. Okay, so when you see your assignments here, you click on the assignments. You will see the two words that says view assignment. You have to click on that. It will take you to a new window like this. On the right side, it will have a plus sign and the words add or create. You have to click on that. Then it will create a drop down of a few options. Click on the blue image right here that also says Docs right next to it. Okay? So the blue image and also said Docs. Click on it. Now, you see my Google Doc is creating. It was just loading. Now it's done loading for me. I'm going to click on it. It's going to open up. This is where I'm going to type my essays or any responses that I want you to type for an assignment, okay? Remember, only create a Google Doc if I tell you in the directions or in the instructions, okay? Now, we're going to focus on learning how to type a formal heading for your Google Docs. Okay, first you need to write your name. Okay, do not do anything up here. Okay, just leave it alone for now. Okay, so the very first thing you need to do is put your name. I'm going to pretend my name is Lola, so I'm going to write Lola Yang. Okay. And then, oh, I spelled my last name wrong. Lola Yang. Okay. I want to go to the next line underneath my name right here. Okay. And I'm going to find the button on my keyboard that says enter. Okay. Click it, click the button once, or press the button once, not click, press the button once. It will go down to the next line. So after my name, I'm going to write my teacher's name, Miss Yang. I want to go to the third line. I'm going to press the return button on my keyboard again. Okay? After my teacher's name, I'm going to write the assignment name. So if I'm working on in opinion writing, I'm going to write opinion writing. Okay, now if you have a title for your opinion writing, do not write that title. The title, I will show you exactly where it goes in a little bit, okay? So let's say Miss Yang is having me write an opinion essay. I'm going to write opinion essay. Okay, then my fourth line, I'm going to hit the, press the enter button on my keyboard again to go to the fourth line. The last thing you need on this formal heading here is the date. Today is April 17, 2020. Okay? 4 simple things that I need you to focus on for your Google Docs from now on. Okay, do not highlight anything. The reason why I'm highlighting it right now is to show you exactly which piece I am talking about. Okay, so again, first line, you should have your name. Second line is my Miss Yang's name, which is your teacher. Third line, the title of the assignment. Okay, and I'm working on opinion essay. It's not always going to be opinion essay. Okay, that's just an example. Then my fourth line is the date. Okay, this is my formal heading. Formal heading. Okay, after this video, you will have a little short quiz just to see if you are still confused about the formal heading, how to create a new Google Doc, and how to submit. Okay, this is the only thing I want you to focus on for now. Okay. Then when you're done creating a sample like this, I want you to also submit it to me so I can see that you know what to do for your formal heading from now on for in the Google Docs. Okay, let's pretend I'm done. On the right side, you should see a button that says Turn In. It's gray. Okay, you're going to click Turn In, and then it takes you back to exactly the assignment that Miss Yang had assigned you. It says, turn in your work. It's asking you again. Okay? What you're going to do is you're going to click the button right here. It says turn in again, right here. You have to click on that. Click turn in. Wait for it to load. Okay? There is no submit button. Now, let's say if you made a mistake and you need to go back and fix something in your document, you have to click on the word that says unsubmit. But do not click on it. Only if you made a mistake in your assignment and you need to go fix something. Okay, but other than that, that's all you have to do. You click turn in 2 times and then you're done for that assignment. And then you could go back to your other assignments to complete it. Okay? And again, after this video, you will have a short quiz or survey, just so that way I can see which students still need help and which students was able to understand the video and complete the formal heading. Okay? And I hope to talk to you guys soon. Make sure you ask me your questions, and I will try to get back to you as soon as possible.